Good day, traders. We are just going to do the recap of what we predicted last week and where we stand today. Actually, I was really busy, so I was not able to do it on time. Sorry for that. But a lot of questions, a lot of private messages. People are really interested to know like what million tips uh, mentors are predicting and how the team is doing. All right. So of course, you guys have right to ask for it. So no issue. So I'm gonna just show it. Overall, we have achieved 622 pips. Okay, and we have still pending orders for few of the pairs, which is the orders are not triggered yet. Okay, so I'm gonna do the breakdown on it. Stay with me. All right, if you can see the screen here, market outlook 26 August 30th, which is which usually I record on a weekly basis and I place it on the website. The students who sign up with us have access and they go through our market outlook. Our main aim, our main focus is to teach you how to trade. It's not to depend upon a signal, And first of all, we don't provide a signal. We teach how to trade. All right. We share our trade ideas, so it's up to the students of Million Pips to take it or not. But we teach them how to trade. All right. Of course, when the mentor is trading with you, it's kind of another support for you, right? So it's extra confidence for you. Let's say, for example, if you want to buy and you still not have confidence, and suddenly you see the mentor is predicting the same trade and he wants to take a buy, so that's what you get a confidence. So the mentors trade with you. All right. So let's start with we have predicted the first one was US oil. US 30, we didn't find anything much. It is still consolidating in the area, so we expect another drop. Definitely for this week market outlook, which I have already sent it to my team, so we will be playing accordingly. Through only so let's five. Okay, this is about US oil and takes out this zone. Then of course it should go and test another zone. Okay, that is for US oil. Right now I'm looking. Currently overall it's on the weekly demand zone, monthly demand zone too. So the demand is not broken yet. So the price is just playing within that range area. So let's see how the price behave on this area on the 4-hour time demand zone. And if the price start giving us some good zones here, and then we can look for a buy. Otherwise you wait for the more confirmation, let the price take out the breakout trend line on the daily time frame and within that range area. So let's see how the price behave on this area on the 4-hour time demand zone. And if the price start giving us some good zones here, and then we can look for a buy. Otherwise test another zone. Okay, that is for US. We should wait for if the price hold this one in this zone, we should wait the price to make another base here and strong impulse move. All right. So basically, we had a two scenario here that we expect if the price break out daily demand zone, which is at the 52 area, so we would have gone short, right? So, but the price failed to break it, and we had a very clear confirmation on the 4-hour time frame that we will be going long. Of course, trading in zone to zone is very important. So the order was triggered in this zone and it went to the next zone. All right. The risk to reward was 1:4. And if you count, it's like 377 points in US oil. All right. The price is coming down. So we have already predicted the next week what's going to come. Let's see how it plays. That is for US oil. And the next trade, which we predicted, sorry. All right, the next trade which we predicted is Euro USD and Euro USD, which was at 9. I'm just gonna take you to all the trades which the orders are triggered. The rest were still pending orders, so I'm not gonna waste more time here. Okay, Euro USD, and if you look at what zone I'm looking right now, we have another zone here, but still Let's see. I don't say anything, but if the price come here, you have small risk and you have big reward. That's what I'm. Okay. So basically, we were looking to short the market over here. Price just spike up. I've been selling the Euro USD for a long time. So for me, I got extra pips. But what happened? A few of the team members, some of them they entered, but some of them they missed with a few, like 2 to 3 pips. So let me show you on Euro USD. Remember, this is the zone which I was talking about, like this zone actually on the top here. This was the zone actually we were talking about. Like if you look here, the price just missed with a 2 to 3 pips, and we don't enter immediately unless and until the price come to our zone. All right, so the price hold the first supply zone and price drop. All right, so it's like this is the range of 200 pips. This is the range of 200 pips. Yeah, which is, for me, I've been selling from top, so for me, I got extra 200 pips. But some of the team members also they enter, they got the take profit. But for some of them, the orders are not filled because the price just bounced from the same area. This was a very good quality of zone 2. So of course, in future, if the price come back there, we will find definitely some unfilled orders over there. That was for Euro USD. And let's go to USD Swiss franc 1224. Okay, so USD Swiss franc, right? The price come down here, and we felt like okay, the price still the orders are not filled because the news pushed the price down. So we expect the price to go up. We still not take the order yet. We want to take an order from here. So what we have predicted, we predict the price to go up, then we should continue down. We have two zones to trade. So if the price come back to this zone again, then we can short one more time. Here, the whole area looks like the price still not filled all the orders. So possible price can go up, test the zone, and start going down. Okay, so as we predicted, the price may go up to fill unfilled orders, then can come back, and we have another zone on top, right? So let's say USD Swiss franc where we stand. So as predicted, the price come back to the zone, same zone again, right? So this was the zone here, and we have another zone too. So we will be shorting the market from the top zone, and also we have another zone too. This has been predicted for today's market outlook. So let's say how it plays. That is for USD Swiss franc. Then we have Euro GBP. Euro GBP. For okay, Euro GBP. This is the trade which we waited for long, and we are looking for to fill the whole range. If the price come here, take a short and trade till this area 89,631 area. Okay, small risk, reward is good. Okay, so now if you look at here, how come we draw a zone, right? There is already impulse move. How we identify there is an impulse move and there is an imbalance happen, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the chart of Euro GBP. So if I look at here, this is what the zone we have drawn. Just to take you to the shorter time frame, why the zone was identified there. Look at this zone which you have marked. Price just went inside, then start dropping down, which is the range of started from here, drop till here, around 200 pips. All right, it dropped, just bounce up here. Let's take it up a little bit. Okay, so this is the 200 pips range. And look at the risk, a very small risk. The reward is big. It's like 1:6.5. You're risking $100, let's say, for example, and you would have made easily $650. All right, that is for Euro GBP. Then we had a GBP USD, which we have predicted. Market failed to go up and come back immediately to this zone, we take a buy again and we hold it till this area. Okay, so what we have predicted, the price to come down. If price fail to make a new high, it will come back to this zone because we have a strong supply zone. All right, so let's say GBP USD. Okay, as predicted, now look at the price, the way it dropped, because price failed to go up, so it dropped here to the zone. So we are looking for a buy, and of course, if some of them in the group, they have shorted the market. So imagine if you shorted from here, yeah, or maybe to the new zone here, and you go to till this zone, okay, 150 pips, very good range, very good range. Okay, but it was a counter trend, so we are looking for a buy actually. So let's see. All right, apart from that, we have predicted another trade on euro Australian dollar, 1753 area. Okay, very good quality of zone this was. Okay, because overall, if you look at the picture, the higher time frame, the price has closed below within that zone. We have very good quality of zone. Even if the price wants to go up, it has to come down because the price already made a new high. So if you go on the daily time frame, this is what we are looking for. This is the base, a strong impulse move. The price should come back to this zone, all right? But if we drop down to a lower time frame, we get a quality of zone here. This is what we are looking for. So let's say if the price comes. So this is what we predicted. The price should come up here, then we drop down, right? So now euro Australian dollar. Euro Australian dollar, see, this was our zone entry here, right? So, but this was our entry area, but the price stopped out with this week, then it start dropping. So few of them people are left out. So it's fine. It's a part of the game. Even if you stopped out, at the end of the day, if you manage your proper risk to reward, you will be making good money. So that is for euro Australian dollar. Apart from that, in the private group, which I have predicted about a pound Australian dollar, pound and Australian dollar. So pound Australian dollar was predicted, and if you go and check my IG post, you will see which I have predicted, which we placed it there. This was our zone on 1 hour, a very clear zone for us to sell, which I have predicted here. This is a sell zone, and look, the price just dropped from immediately from that area, which is 202 pips we have achieved. Okay, this was not predicted in market outlook. This was the last moment trade which we identify and which was shared in my group. If you go back to my Instagram, you will see before and after. All right, so overall we have achieved this many pips. Euro USD, for people, for few guys, they missed the entry, but for me, I've been selling from the top. I got this 200 pips. Euro GBP 100 pips, GBP Australian dollar 200 pips, 22 pips, GBP Swiss franc 120 pips. We still have pending orders for this many pairs. For this week, we have already said the outlook. Just to let you know, guys, we trade set and forget, and we trade basically a swing and intraday trade. Even if our intraday trade, that doesn't mean it's gonna hit your take profit in a day. It can take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or maybe a week. Okay, that is called intraday trades. And for swing trade, maybe we hold for a week or for a month. It depends, as long as like we just wait for our take profit to hit. All right. So if you guys want to learn, please sign up on the millionpips.com and choose the mentor with whom you want to learn. Just to let you know, everyone we teach the same method of supply and demand, and everyone is here to help you. Okay, if you're looking for signal, sorry, this is not the place where you are gonna come. If you're looking to learn and work together, you're most welcome. All right. And please follow us on on Instagram, at Million Pips, and on our website, which is millionpips.com. You'll get everything over there. And also we have our YouTube channel at Million Pips. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.